Have you ever heard of tzatziki? Kind of hard to spell, kind of fun to say. If not, you have to meet it. I'm about to introduce you. And if you have, just think about all the incredible things you can do with this Greek origined, beautiful dipping sauce. You can use it as a vinaigrette. You can dip, as we are today, pita or crudité into it. I top my favorite tuna salad off with it. There's a ton of things, salmon, seared salmon. Okay, I can keep on going forever. I know we don't have a lot of time together. So what you do is you grate with a box grater some cucumber without the peel. I have it here in some paper towels, and what you want to do is squeeze, which is a lot, the excess water. There's a lot of water in a cucumber, so squeeze out that excess water, okay? And what you have left is this crunchy, oh, I forgot to tell you, I salted the cucumber, and that allows the water to shed from that cucumber. So salt some grated cucumber, strain it, and it goes into your yogurt. Now for this, you can either use plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. Today, we're using Greek yogurt. Here I have a microplane, normally used for grating Parmesan, but I'm gonna go ahead and grate some garlic onto it, because you can never get the garlic fine enough for a good tzatziki. Next thing we're gonna add to this is some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Fresh squeezed, always fresh squeezed when you're making all these ingredients, especially something that you're serving cold with some fresh crudité. You never wanna skimp on this part. Okay, I think half a lemon should be perfectly enough. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. And then finally, a little bit of herbs. Now, normally tzatziki gets only mint, but I feel like mint and dill would be an even more delicious tzatziki. So let's go ahead and pick some fresh mint. I actually grow tons of mint in my garden, so we make a lot of tzatziki at my house. Just kind of roll it all up together, like so. Make sure you have a good sharp knife and chop it up. And then go ahead and add this to the yogurt mixture. You want to make sure that everything is mixed in evenly so that they're all spread into the yogurt. And get your favorite vegetables onto a platter. If you want to put some warm pita bread on that platter, you can also put some nice crackers, whatever it is that you love to dip with. Go ahead and put it on this delicious platter. And there you have it. Beautiful tzatziki with any kind of spread you love with it.